Alright, today we're doing a casino. I think we've done an aviation, pretty sure. But this says, now note how small a change can produce a different cocktail, or at least a different name. So this is basically just an aviation, but it has orange juice in addition. That's it. It's the same drink. And it also says, follow the directions for mixing an aviation, which is just shaking it, I guess, with cracked ice. So, not that complicated. He also says, here again it should be noted that at least one recipe book lists under the name of Casino a quite different cocktail made with gin, whiskey, Cointreau, Slivovitz, and Italian vermouth. Horror of horrors! Which is pretty funny. Horror of horrors. Wow. Alright, so it starts off with one part Maraschino. This is Maraschino cherry stuff. So we're starting off with the small part of the jigger. You'll see why in a bit. 1 part lemon juice. I actually prepared this time so we can... Oh my gosh, it doesn't even... This lemon's humongous. It won't even fit in this thing. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Okay, I jammed it in there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna use half of that lemon juice. Then here's the twist. Our orange juice. 1 part of this. Ooh. And then here's the part why we started with the small part of the jigger. Because it is 8 parts gin. So it'll just be 4 of the tall. I just spilled gin everywhere. Yeah, put some ice in this. Because of the Maraschino, I think this is going to be pretty. Oh, it's like all pink. It's like a good Valentine's. A little late, but good Valentine's drink. This is a casino. Gamble. Something about gambling.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. It's like really good. It's not too sweet.
It smells sweet, but it's actually not too bad.
The orange juice doesn't come through really that heavy, which is nice because that can be kind of like pukey. Yeah, this one's nice to look at and good to taste. And also, I'm going back to what I've said before. Sometimes adding some charged water would be good. I think that this one would do well with that. But we'll never know because I don't want to do that. But you can at home. At your own home. Not my home, your home. Like and subscribe and try a casino. Take a gamble on it. There's the joke.